Welcome back to Booze Cluez, episode 3.
Sorry.
We are dedicating this episode to our veterans. Thank you for serving our country and protecting us and our families and our freedoms. We are forever grateful. And today we're drinking Redneck Riviera. It's empty.
You can watch how that came in. Yeah. But this bottle came from, what's his name again?
His name is John Rich. He's from the country duo Big and Rich.
And they sing.
They're country singers?
Yeah, they sang the song like "Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy," which I'm sure
And it's fucking
some
sold
people
out
know.
right now too, by the way.
This is sold out. So it's obviously good. We are well over 0.08. And we got there fast. Hashtag drink American. God bless America.
Let's go. In this show, we're trying to figure out, because the episode 2 was Tito's at 40%, so we're just trying to figure out if we switch it over to a different, now we're drinking dark at 40%. We'll see what the results will be.
Born down in a dead man's town, the first kicker took us when I hit the...
Smells smooth, I'm not gonna lie.
Vanilla-y.
All right, here we go.
To the veterans.
To the veterans.
The veterans.
I'm a fan.
That's smooth.
I'm a fan.
It's pretty good.
I don't even fuck with countries like that.
Back alive.
That's pretty good. Warms you right up.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're not supposed to drink and drive, and some people can't drink and ride
Right.
skateboards.
Okay, I see how you went into that. That was smooth.
No
So I
drink and
think,
ride.
I mean, I shouldn't skate anyways.
Right.
A little top heavy.
You're a little top heavy. I'm a little long, but
It's on the knee.
we can show them.
Wanna show 'em?
Yeah, you
Show 'em.
might as well show them.
All right, here you go. Oh wait.
Almost.
See, watch, and I pull my shirt. I pull my hoodie down super fast, and my left hand did, but
So it didn't escape.
right.
The first thing I did was crack his back.
On the garage floor. You know what else is somewhere, and it happens to be coming up on the screen here too, is when you guys tried to do the drinking on the garage door.
Oh God, you're gonna put that on?
Yep. Obviously, this TikTok trend is old, but
We're old.
I don't even think it was TikTok. Was it TikTok? Grandma and Pops was on
Yeah.
TikTok?
yep.
We'll have
Shout
to
out
try it.
to
We'll definitely have to try that again.
Yeah.
You know, that was,
not a success.
Do you always close your eyes when you blow?
I don't want to see his face. Wow.
Wow. What were you
Point.
doing today?
0.0. I can't say it. 0.030.
Wow.
Yep.
0.05. Let's just see how this goes.
Like, there it is. That's what you do.
Like mine didn't blow.
Like, it was just like, yeah.
0.078. This feels not right.
One and done?
One and done.
How do you feel in real life?
I mean, I'm a little like I'm feeling good, but not that. I
But
don't
not
think
that
I'm
good.
feeling that good.
Or is all 40% across the board going to give us the same rating? And all of a sudden, it's not.
Dan seems
03.
accurate. This one's too
Freedom.
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 All right. Oh, you guys did the same thing again. All right. I feel like my shots are too small.
So the would you rather question this week is: would you rather have feet for hands or hands for feet?
Oh my God. So you would have, you
Feet
would
for
still
hands
have
or
feet?
hands for feet. Yeah, like so. If
You're
you
just
pick-
switching one?
Yeah, so if you
Obviously.
have hands for feet, then you'd have hands.
I want
Hands.
hands and hands.
That's what I would think
What do
too.
you mean?
Because then you could just like gallop.
You don't get to have all hands.
And then you could just be like
Yeah, you're
changing
not-
a light bulb and then getting
You're
something
not
out of the fridge.
rotating.
So, no, you're not rotating.
You have to pick one.
So you
oh,
have
so your
like
whole body's either going to be feet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you have feet?
That's no, it's like clap like that? No.
Yeah.
No. I'm hands on.
You see the Nicole Kidman?
It's like a
How she
monkey.
clips?
No.
But do you
That's right
think
here.
that, like, do you think that your hands, like, could support, like, to walk? You know
I
what
feel
I
like
mean?
they would be conditioned
Yeah, but
after a
monkeys
while.
have 4 hands, yeah? Or am I tripping?
You just stomp the yard like a motherfucker.
Like smell my feet.
Well, some people are into, like, toes.
That's
so
one hell of a
maybe they
sequel.
You can make-
As of right now,
We only had 2, right?
the liquor would matter, I would say. But I don't know yet. But I'm saying.
Yeah, I would
First
say, yeah,
time.
clear or dark. Maybe that's the difference.
Yeah, dark's gonna hit you right in the fucking.
So, yeah. Cut.
I don't want to go to murder history.
Hey!
Holy fuck, we're out.
Wow.
We're alive.
Here we
It's a
go.
woman.
It's like
Inside.
starting from.
Shot 2.
So you go when it starts speaking.
Okay.
I think after it says it's ready, give it a second. Where'd she go?
That's right now.
That feels right. Yeah.
0.05.
It's accurate.
What?
Oh my
0.13?
god.
I don't know. There's
You're
no.
not acting like a .13.
There's no way.
There's no
Yeah,
way.
one of them been soaking in booze all day.
Redneck Riviera whiskey is a full-bodied, delicately smooth, spirit-perfect for when you are ready to get down. Get with a GIT, of course.
Get her done.
It's a small batch whiskey with bright notes of vanilla, oak, caramel, and a touch of honey or caramel if you may. Enjoy a glass and take a little time to rewind and simplify. With Redneck Riviera. I want to hear shit about the selection in our comments either. I don't hear nothing about it. We can't even bring it up. It's too hostile of a thing for the world.
.06.
Bring it up.
Why is everybody accurate but me? Am I really a point?
No, that's-
I don't really
13?
feel like .06.
All right, here we go. Shot 3.
Number 3.
2. I was hoping someone else would make something up.
To you guys.
To you.
To the viewer.
Ew. Viewers and
2
subscribers,
Americans.
huh?
It's like butter. You guys gotta go get that. You guys
This is
have
good
any
every time.
veterans in your family?
Grandpa.
Your grandpa was? Yeah.
My gramps was in the Korean War.
Same with mine.
Korean War?
To our grandpas.
You guys related, or?
I don't know, maybe.
Oh.
We're gonna put grandpas.
No, our gramps.
All
Oh,
our
yeah.
gramps will be up
We
here.
can put them there.
Oh.
We're gonna put them.
That's cool.
Yeah, my grandpa, my brother. I mean, I guess I got a lot, but I don't know. I don't think I would ever do it. I don't think I would make it through boot camp. They got
Damn.
60-pound backpacks on there, and they're going,
What if they offered you $1 million?
oh no.
Oh.
I
I'd eat
feel
a
like you
spider
guys are
before I
getting
did
a little,
that.
like Dan's getting a little too seasoned to be
Yeah.
in a war enough.
But doesn't that mean that you can't fucking, doesn't that mean you can't go, because you're too old, right, Dan?
I am too old, I think.
Are you
I
too
hope.
old? You
Yeah, I
better
feel like
look
I'm
it
too old.
Yeah,
up.
because it stops at 50, so like 50, after 50 you can't join.
You got small ass ears too. Can't hear shit.
Huh?
Your little tiny ears.
Cut.
Someone,
What the? Yeah, we gotta keep it down because somebody around here has been reporting us.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Are we blowing again already?
Blow and go and a blow and go.
Booze.
Do you guys
Cluez.
ever, like, freak out and, like, have anxiety about planes? Like, when you hear them? Like, fuck, you're right.
There we go. 0.087. When it starts to spin, then if it's
This should be good.
right, then don't blow. I don't think. Perfect. Go blow.
Right
Go
now?
blow. Yeah. Go. Go.
It's not beeping.
Go. Fool. Let's
Oh.
go. Go. See?
Think you got it?
Yeah, she got it. She got it in time.
Holy bitch! A .12.
0.2 what?
8.
But
Point. She should be. But
4, 8, 12, 16.
get the fuck out. That's a line. This is a thicker ass. Look at your width compared to my girth.
0.16.
All right.
Moving on up.
Am I going to
glory
kill
land.
tonight? I know I only have to walk home, but I'm still concerned.
Carry over.
I made a breakfast.
It was really. Yeah.
That counts.
I had to go grocery shopping today, and Saturday is like the worst day to go grocery shopping. I went to Costco and Fred Meyer. I was very kind to all the people that cut me off.
0.119. I don't know.
11-9.
Yeah.
Shot time.
What was it, Dan?
11-9.
11-9.
Point or 0.11.
What was I?
Is this our goodbye shot?
No.
I think at least I'll do one more after this. We already know. We've already educated you guys enough that 3 shots of any 40% so far has been over the limit.
Yeah. Don't drive after 3 shots.
Each shot is an hour of wait time. Write that down.
Redneck Riviera.
Fire.
Cheers.
No chase.
Oh my god, you thought you were so cool when you put your cap down.
Either.
Oh shit, my Tamagotchi's going off.
Oh, change
You
his
gotta
diaper.
come back. Don't record this.
Oh,
Turn
my
this off.
mother's.
But
it's cold outside.
Feeling it.
Welcome back to www.
What'd you say?
Huh?
Right.
You know what the fuck I said.
We educate adults.
When you're over the
Right?
limit.
We're not like, hey kids, only drink 3 shots.
do you like violence?
We're not doing that.
Are we?
No, I'm just saying. We can say whatever the fuck we want.
You guys, oh my god, man, if I could die, you dying tonight.
War,
To
red, white,
die.
and blue.
For
You
you.
didn't catch that for you.
Wow.
For you.
You think they're just blind too?
You gonna show them the shot first? Take that little weenie ass thing, baby.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Today is also World Kindness Day, so pay it forward, be nice. It's the simplest thing you could do that can legit save someone's life. So just be kind, be nice to everybody. That's the number one thing we need in this world right now.
Manners. Thank you. Please.
Exactly.
Real shit. Yeah,
Kindness.
kindness.
Excuse me, shit like that. It's not
It
that
ain't
hard.
hard.
Opening the door?
Right?
Come on. This is a one simple act. Pay it forward.
Don't be a
And
dick.
Don't be a motherfucking dick.